Hello everyone, welcome to Salesforce Network Salesforce Developer Tutorial. Topic what we are going to cover in this session, that is display account using Visualforce. Create a Visualforce page that displays all the account records. To create a Visualforce page that displays account records, we can use Salesforce standard controller, which makes it simple to fetch and display data without needing custom Apex code. Explanation: Apex page tag. So in Apex page tag, we are using standard controller equals account. So this binds the Visualforce page to the account object and provides automatic handling of the basic account data operations. Second, we are using record set var equals accounts. This allows us to fetch and display a list of account records. Next, Apex page block. This organizes the content into a block structure, giving it a clear, consistent layout. Next, we are using Apex page block table. Here, value equals accounts. This binds the list of accounts to the table. Next, var equals ACC. Each record is temporarily stored in the ACC variable during iteration. Next, columns. In Apex column defines the columns of the table. Each column corresponds to a specific field of the account object like name, industry, phone, and annual revenue. Account name. The name is displayed as a clickable link which navigates to the detail page of the account. Other columns like industry, phone, and annual revenue show respective data for each account record. So to do the practical, just log into our Salesforce account. At the right side, just click on setup, gear icon, developer console, right click, open link in new tab. So to create the Visualforce page, we need to click on file, new, Visualforce page. Here we are creating the Visualforce page by the name Visualforce account. Click OK. So in this Visualforce page, we had seen in our PPT that in the Apex page we are using a standard controller equals account and a record set var equals accounts. So this is for the object what we are using, and it is for fetching the data. Next, Apex page block title, we are using list of all accounts. Then data table to display all accounts. Here we are taking page block table. Value we are providing accounts, and we are creating a variable of this accounts, that is ACC. And in the header value we are giving account name and the account ID of that particular account name. We are making it clickable. So Apex output link we are using and providing account name. Then Apex column, this one we are closing. Then next Apex column, phone, account dot phone ACC. Here we are created the variable ACC, that variable dot phone, then account dot industry, then account dot annual revenue, and we are providing the header value as the phone, industry, and annual revenue. Closing the tags respectively: Apex page block table, Apex page block, and Apex page. Save this Visualforce page and we need to click on preview button. So as the title what we had provided, list of all accounts, then we had taken account name, phone, industry and annual revenue. And also we are able to see that account name, this name is clickable, but phone, industry and annual revenue is not. So for that reason we had taken output link value, this ID we are passing and this account name. So if we are clicking on this particular account name, it is going to redirect to the detail page. Just click on this. So we had redirected to this account detail page. So like this we are displaying the data of a standard object account on the Visualforce page. Thank you.